11:41, and he messed up. Plastic bag on the air filter. It just turned off. The recording just turned off.
No, it's still recording.
Well, it went black.
It's still recording.
Prejudice camera.
I hate this shit.
So
That's why I hate this shit.
what happened to the air filter over here? Unless it bent.
Yeah.
You smacked it into something?
No, because of the suction.
Hmm.
So when it can't suck air, it got the bag over it.
Oh, that's what happened?
Yeah.
So this was just now.
So this is a filter right here. Okay, gotcha. This sucks. And sucks.
What, you can't wash your filter?
Yeah, you can, but
Yeah, because I wash mine. I mean,
you can clean your filter.
right there.
I see it. That's what you can do. You can clean it. They sell the kits to clean it,
Yeah, that's what I got.
but it's too shit sucks ass.
God damn it. One more on this side. This side.
Really? It's the bullshit of a lifetime.
Yeah, my phone's going off.
Yep.
Unless I go in here.
No. Got the tank off to get the air filter. This bad boy right here. It's always a fun day when you gotta tear shit apart. Got the old air filter off. Got this block so nothing doesn't go in there, and
This way.
there we go. I think this one might have a friggin' crack in it. So we're gonna go get a new one. Yep. Got this mic set up. Gonna see how this shit works. Just got attacked by a wasp riding with my helmet open. Had to pull over. Not so fun. But it's a good day for a ride. Nice and cool outside, especially with the way the weather's been lately. Take advantage of these good days, right? Right. Last week I thought I damaged my air filter, but luckily I didn't, so I'm good with that. Just gonna hit the road and see what happens, man. I want the tollway opener up for a little bit. Feels good. Last time I was out, I really didn't get to open up at all. Nothing like hitting the road, though. Just cruise around for a bit and see where the road takes us today.